Hello, plant and wine enthusiasts! What if I told you that you could combine your love for lush greens and fine wines into a unique decor piece? That's right, today we're exploring the best indoor plants you can grow in wine glasses. Let's get started. Air plants. First off, the fuss-free air plants. These bad boys don't need soil. They take all their nutrients from the air. Pop them into a small wine glass and you've got yourself a mini masterpiece. Succulents. Next, let's talk about succulents. Varieties like echeverias and jade plants not only look adorable in small wine glasses, but also bring that desert charm right into your living room. Cacti. Feeling prickly? Mini cacti are a perfect fit for small wine glasses. Their spikes add an intriguing texture to your glass garden. Ferns. For something a bit smaller, petite ferns like maidenhair and button ferns love the humid microclimate that a wine glass provides. Baby tears. Baby tears are for those who love the cascading greenery. They look stunning as they spill over the edges of a small wine glass. Lucky bamboo. Got a bigger wine glass? Lucky bamboo twists its way up, offering not just a visual treat, but also, as the name suggests, good luck. Spider plant. If you're looking for something with a bit more volume, spider plants are your way to go. Their arching leaves make a grand statement in a larger wine glass. Painted leaf begonia. Prepare to be dazzled by the painted leaf begonia. Its striking foliage becomes a living art piece in a larger wine glass. Pitcher plant. And for the adventurous among you, give the pitcher plant a try. It's a bit of a gamble, but if you get the care right, it's a stunning addition. And there you have it, folks. Creative ways to repurpose your wine glasses while adding a dash of green to your interiors. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more inventive gardening tips. Until next time, happy gardening!